Okay, Zach, so this is the first paper 2 that I've been able to mark for you. It's the only the second paper I've been able to mark all half terms. So let's see how good you are. Okay, this one isn't 18 square centimeters. An 18 centimeter square would be a square that measures 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters. A floor would be in square meters. So 6.3 for that. 320 is in the right place. Well done. 11 on that page. That's good, well done. And you're telling me what you're doing and why you're doing it. That's a really good answer, well done, Zach. 64 squares is fine, so that's good, 8 marks there, well done. That's fine, that's a chord, that's a radius. 92 mil is good, and that looks like a perpendicular line. So we've got 2 there, 1 there, 2 there, 5 on that page. Day 2 and 3. No, it's not 3. There's only 2 days where there's more rain in Swansea. So Swansea is the dark grey column. So there's more rain there, and there's more rain there. Only 2 days. 18 millimeters is wrong. I think if anything you've rounded that off. You need to add up the total frequencies for each of the light grey bars. So you've got 3. And 3 is 6, and 4 is 10, and 2.5 is 12.5, and 5 is 17.5. And in order to work at the median, you need to write the list in order, which you haven't done so, because if you had, you'd have seen that that one's wrong as well. So there's 3 marks there that you should have been able to get. A half is its simplest form. There's nothing wrong with writing it as a decimal, but it's not asking you to. Right, with this one, again, you've got that wrong. So, oops, wrong button. Fraction button on your calculator. 75.61 on the top. 42.3 plus 6.34 underneath, press equals, and there's 1.55. Now that would round to 1 decimal place. Because the next digit along is 5 or higher, it rounds to 1.6. So you would lose one of those marks there. So there's 4 there, 1 there, and 2 there. Move up 7 whites every time. 7 units every time. Move up 7 units. Yeah, so you're adding 7 every time. For this one, what you're doing is multiplying by 3 to change the 4 to 12 to 36. And because it's going plus minus, what you're multiplying by is actually minus 3. 4 3s are 12, signs are different, answers negative. 12 3s are 36, signs are the same, answers positive, and so on. T times 100, H minus 3, 8W, 5, 11, great. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 10, 13 on that page. That's good. 23 and 23. Mean is where you add them all up and divide by however many there are. So you would add those up and divide by 8. Okay, that's something we were practicing last week. That's good, and that looks good as well. Let's just check. Yeah, that's great. Well done. 6 marks there. 9 for the page. 3, another 3 you've thrown away. So that's 6 you've thrown away so far. Well done. That's good. We just practiced that this morning. Get your compass. Open your compass out over halfway. Draw an arc. Get your compass. Put your compass pointer on the other side of the line. Draw another arc. Then draw your line down through where those two curves cross. Job done. Can't believe you blew that one. It's another 2, so that's 9 marks straight away. No, we haven't practiced that yet, but it is something we will be practicing this week. That was something that we did this week as well. So choose that as your starting point and work out how to move from A to your starting point in ups and acrosses. So we're going up 1, across 3. So with a scale factor of 4, we have to double that. Sorry, scale factor of 2, we have to double that. So instead of going up 1 and across 3, we're going to go up 2 and across 6, which will take us to there. So the enlargement, that point starts there. Now to get from there to there, we've got to go down 2, across 2. So we're doubling that, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, across 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that side is going like that. Then we're going to go down 2, so we're going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to there. Then we're going to go across 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to there. And then join it back to the start. Now if in the exam you're not sure how to deal with that centre of enlargement, just enlarge the shape anywhere and you'll get 2 out of 3. With this one, take a look how I do it on the video clip. It is something you should be able to work out. No, with that one, so if there were 119 days where there was snow or rain, then there's going to be 364 take away 119, 245 days where there was no rain, and to write it as a fraction, it'll be out of the total number of days, which is 364, or 365. 365, sorry. So it's 246 out of 365. Take a look how I explain those in the video clip. This is something we're going to be practicing this week. That is correct. So once you've done that, what you then have to do is to take that off the original value of the car. Again, this is something that we will be practicing in class before the paper 2. Right then, Zach, well, I don't know if you've made it to a C there, but let's talk about and find out. 11, 19, 24, 31, 44, 53, 60. 61. That's a grade C. Okay, that'll be a safe grade C on that paper actually. But as I was saying as you're going through that, you've thrown away at least 10 marks with careless mistakes. Anyway, not bad. I'm encouraged.